Hello everybody, just a real quick one here. Excellent news. The first time since September 25th we've gotten rain. It is now November 3rd. So this is awesome. I think I'll put the hanging baskets out for all it's worth, though they're looking pretty sad end of season, but yeah. Get to test out the new roof, which I don't think I've uploaded the video of that yet, but that's all coming. The downspout is flowing pretty well today. Got a spot here I need to take a look at. Don't think that was doing that before the roof. Might be sneaking in behind there a little bit. But heck yeah. Looks like we ended up with a ½ inch. Again, this has been first rain since September 25th, 2024. Thank you for watching.